Top of the morning, my boy.
Top of the morning. It's a good day to be great.
Oh God, look, I say in the sky. Actually, you read it. It's your message.
You feel me?
It's your message. Talk to us.
The sky is not the limit.
Yeah.
It's just a view. Aim higher and embrace the boundless possibilities that stretch beyond. In other words, don't let people limit you to what they think you can do. How is the sky the limit? When there's stars. That's why we got the stars right there. Now it's time to take off. Take a risk.
Take a risk now.
Take a risk.
And then, you know what I'm saying? Take a risk or die wandering.
You hear me?
Stop playing with the boy. 101 hoodies out here cooking.
101.
Now it's time to get that paint up in there. You know, Angeles, y'all gonna have to sponsor us here soon and stop playing.
For sure.
Like, they gotta stop playing.
Hey, we got some $1 million wrist on our hands, man.
Stay tuned. We about to get that airbrush work in real quick. Got it all on there. Now it's about to be the time to peel this bad boy off of here.
Time for the special reveal.
That man been cooking with that airbrush.
Picasso.
Oh God.
Call it.
While he's cooking up on that hoodie, I'm about to design this Louis V Stanley Cup. And I basically just took my stencils, permanent vinyl, and cut it out piece by piece, as you see right there, just to make sure it goes over seamlessly. But it ended up coming out fire. So he's using some removable vinyl real quick, just to be able to add that logo on the front of the tee with the airbrush. The back right here, he about to show us real quick. Finished, look at that. Looking fire. Ain't gonna lie, so now he about to get in, spraying with some flat black. So now that we got that all placed on there, came out super clean. Stain clubs just been going crazy all over TikTok, Instagram, and y'all just wanted to see how the vinyl was put on there quick and easy, just like that. That was a little mini short tutorial. Ready to shoot some shit? Deliver? Understand that. What you about to do? We about to see what that aim like. We gonna see what that risk taker aim like today. Your ass looking like Frozone with those shades. You about to be shooting some shit now?
Hey, with your hood like that, you look like a Teletubby.
Target distance. 60. 25.
Oh, he hit some shit.
That head would have flew straight off. Me and my beautiful queen been working on knocking down our bucket list of all the food places that we wanted to try. But they did their thing. Like, look at that seasoned rice, and the ribs was smacking. She had some pulled pork with some side of potatoes, I'm pretty sure. So we just had some of that CJ's soul food. Come here, what you say? So beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. How do you rate that food though? It's a 9. I give it a 10. Cause them ribs was hitting, but you know, the lady always just had to come off to it. That's all right. I wanted to be a certified daddy. You feel me? And now we about to end up going in bowling. Alan, you losing in this time. You beat me last time that we was bowling. This time, I'm taking the dubs. Any game that we play, I'm taking the dubs. Watch. Go in the way. Never in the way.
You, why every time I turn around, you make it?
Because I'm your soulmate. So why every time, look, no matter which way you go, they staring at you. Like, shit don't make no sense. You know, babe had to be rocking the brand. She got the wrong shoes on. She supposed to have the Perception 1.0s, but it's all right. We're going to get a couple pairs here soon. Time for bowling we go. Look at this ice out here, just crazy. Like, the groundhog definitely said it was supposed to be early spring. Then we turn around in Columbus, and it's middle of the motherfucking blizzard. Like, you should have seen yesterday. I should have recorded that because that snow just came down like at least, literally, I kid you not, 8 inches. Like, you see everything they plowed over there. Just in this part. Crazy. I'm about to get this session in real quick. Yeah? Hey, y'all have a blessed night.
You got our pine? You got our pine?
Man, what type of ball we about to get? I don't know if I want to go heavy today or I want to keep it a little smooth, because sometimes the heavy ball, it be acting like it don't want to spin for me. But I need to make sure I can control this ball every time it goes down, so I might do the 11. Let me check something real quick. Let me do my research on my analytics, because I got to make sure I got the right momentum when I'm rolling this ball. Look, the man got it on. Don't be dapping me up. We competition today. You know we got running back.
You don't want to run it back.
You know we
I did you last time, bro.
You said I still missing on?
Yeah, you still missing one. No excuses, bro. Go ahead.
Said no excuses.
No excuses, bro. He gonna miss y'all. Watch. No, sir. No, sir. What happened?
The ball, you know what I'm saying? It was like a negative magnet on me. Huh?
Spin it the wrong way, huh?
Yeah, I definitely spent that motherfucker the wrong way. It was moving. Ooh, that's looking good right there. That was looking good though. That was looking good.
Let me get all the way warmed up.
All right, that's understandable. Gotta hit that cleanup game now. We're gonna see if you clutch now. It's fourth quarter. That's good shit right there. That didn't curve at all. It didn't curve at all. But you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you how I curve these women out here. I'm a faithful man. That's what we do out here. I'm gonna show them. We're gonna see if it curves though. They tried to rob her for what though? What the teamwork is all about. Look, dream team. Come on now, get your girl right now. Get your lady right. How you seal the deal right here. This how you seal the deal. You feeling sexy? It's dark in here, but then, you know what I'm saying, the lights just hitting on you right. Oh wait, was that's the Ric Flair?
That spot every time that I get hit.
What?
Still gonna win.
This game?
I'm only down a little bit. I'm only down by 10.
Okay, you might just lose by a little bit then, I guess. He did just come off a strike.
Uh-oh, he said watch it.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. That motherfucker cleaned on that. Man's been going crazy. Look, that's what got me in this round. He said he was gonna come back. It wasn't too late. He came back. He definitely came back for it.
Hey, cheating, bro.
I was talking hella smack.
Lost.
It's alright though, in life, because I still got that battery right there. You feel? What's the last words you gotta say, my guy, to the vlog?
Smashed your ass, nigga.
I'm gonna cut that part out. He already talking about smash my ass. Come on now, why you gonna disrespect me on my page like that? What's going on, guys? So I appreciate y'all taking the time to watch that vlog. Also, I made the executive decision just to make this page an all-around channel because I want y'all to see what's going on behind the scenes with the nation, not just me customizing shoes and doing tutorials, because I know that can get repetitive, literally me doing the same thing over and over. So we're gonna hop in with like some paintball videos, some cooking channels, tutorials. We're gonna be doing some thrifting. We're gonna show you how we be balling on a budget, because you can put fists together and you don't have to spend a lot of money to put that drip on. But drop in the comments also any type of videos y'all want to see me do, because I'm here for you guys and y'all here for me. We all a nice big happy family at the nation. So hey, a video is gonna pop up on one of these sides of these screens, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the next banger.